Welcome to Codezlux. Today we will start our project where we will design this simple and clean website only with HTML and CSS. If you did not subscribe to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant updates. First of all, let's open the code editor where we have already done our HTML part. You can get this code from our classroom. Then create a CSS file. And firstly we will style for body section. Write the body and start the block by curly brackets. Give margin of top equals 0. Left to right equals 0. And bottom give 20 px. Then give padding 0. Then to add a background image. Write the background. And then URL to give the path. The image is in the img folder, so we will move one step back, then enter to img folder. Then enter to background folder, and there the image name bg2 is located. Then write some background properties like background position, background attachment, background repeat, and then background size. After that we will style for the header section. So firstly let's write the header and start the block, then also add an image here in the header section, so this image is also placed in the img folder. Go to that folder and write the image name like bg1.jpg. Then give the opacity like 0.8. Then height up to 40 pixels. And also line height up to 40 pixels. Then style the heading of the header section. Like, give the margin left of 40 pixels. And float to the left side. Then style for the navbar. Firstly change the text style to none. And then place the text to the center. Then style the list items, by placing the items in one line. Then give margin, like top to bottom 0 pixels, and left to right 6 pixels. Here is the problem I faced. The navbar is a little up from the logo text. To fix this problem we will add a 0 margin top to bottom. Then change the anchor tag of the navbar. Like text decoration to none. Change color to black. Font size to 17 pixels. Font weight to normal. And font family to Verdana. Reload the browser and you will see the result. To change the font family of the logo text also, we will add the font family to Verdana. And let's decrease the font size to 16 pixels. So that's all about today's lecture. In the next video we will continue our project. So stay tuned. We will be right back soon. Thanks.